for Tony. We've got Bathe in Couture, Bathe in Couture, and Bath and Body. All right, out of Dallas, Texas, and Tony has got the coveted Star Seller badge. So congratulations to you, Tony. We've got smooth shipping, speedy replies, and rave reviews. So congratulations to you. Let's check it out. 80 products, a really good collection of products. And that's important. That having a lot of products is, like I keep saying, guys, the more products you have, the more sales you're going to be able to make, because every product is like it's a little salesperson going out there trying to make sales on your shop. So let's see here. All right, let's check it out. We've got a lemon scented spa gift set and gift for her. Very cute. I really like it. So let's go ahead and scroll through it. So I don't know if these are bath bombs or if they're soap, but let's see here. We've got a body scrub, a body mist, and a body butter lotion. And then 4 little lemon slices. There we go. If you guys have pretty packaging, you got to show off your pretty packaging. Pretty packaging is that's why people buy stuff. They want to know that it's beautiful and it's a gift and it's fancy. So show off the pretty packaging that you have. So let's check out this first keyword that you have here, lemon scented spa gift set. And let's see, what do we got here? So we got 677 results. So actually not a very large keyword. And you could probably find a bigger keyword, but it is still a good keyword. And I'll say for you, Tony, I see that your shop is already doing pretty well. So if I make any suggestions for these listings, I don't think you should change your existing listings. Like if this one's been doing well and it's been making sales, don't change this one. But if I have like feedback or suggestions for it, what you can do is copy the listing, duplicate the listing, and then make changes to the new listing. And that way you're not going to mess up a listing that's already working and making sales. But if we look at this one right here, lemon scented spa gift set, 677 results. So a decent keyword, not the biggest, but not bad. But if we just try spa gift set, which you probably already do have some products for this one, but that comes up much larger, 50,632 results. So I would try and find some other keywords kind of in the in-between. Let's just try lemon spa gift set. And that brings us to 2,043 results. So that's actually a better keyword because it's within that sweet spot range of 1,000 to 10,000. So lemon spa gift set, and you can see there's all sorts of results. There's also all sorts of products that are similar to yours. And that keyword could be a little bit better for you. So let's try that one out. Let's save that one. Lemon spa gift set, 2,043. Now let's try citrus, because that's another one. But I got to spell citrus right. Citrus spa gift set, 1973. So another good one right there. 1973. Okay, very beautiful. Let's see here. And then we got some other ways to describe it. This one's a sweet sunshine gift box, natural loofah, citrus, lemon and orange, essential oil. Let's see here. Citrus spa gift set collection. Interesting. Rejuvenating, refreshing. Okay. So some of the other things that you could put into your listing title up here would be lemon scented soap, or you could try lemon soap. Even though it's going to be really big, you can make it kind of like a third or a fourth keyword, but it's actually not bad. 1,160 or 11,637. So it's a great keyword, 11,637. So for this product here, you can fit a lot more keywords into this listing title. Right now, you've got like 3. You've got lemon scented gift set, spa gift set, and gift for her. But there's no reason to put in all of those other keywords here. So you could do lemon body mist, lemon body butter, and then we already did lemon soap and lemon body scrub. That was your last one, lemon body scrub. Okay. And if you mix in all of those different keywords, you're going to have such a wider reach of people that you can reach with this product. So we've got 1,675 results on that one. We got lemon body butter. This gives us 23.24. So another great keyword right there. And then let's try lemon body scrub, and that gives us 24.89. And then let's just do lemon spa gift set. I wonder if that's what you had earlier. Yeah, I think this is literally what we had earlier. Lemon Spot gift set. Okay, we already searched that one out. I'm going to pop these ideas in here for you, Tony, because I think we got a few more keywords. But I will say your products are so pretty, and great photos is what gets it done, guys. You got to get good photos out there.